Okay, once we have our new InDesign document on the screen, the first thing we might want to do is save it. So I'm going to go to the File menu and choose Save. And I'm just going to call this Practice. And I'll click Save. Pallets are an important part of the InDesign user interface. If you go to the Window menu, you can look at a list of all the available palettes. Those of you who are familiar with Adobe products know that palettes are one way of accomplishing a lot of tasks that you would otherwise need to use a menu for. Familiarity with palettes is important, although you don't necessarily need to know about all of the palettes to do most of the kinds of things that you will need to do. Almost all the time there are a couple of things that I've got up on the screen. The first and most important is the tools. So if you click Tools, you'll notice the tools appear. And if you click on Window, again you can see that the Tools item is checked, which means that's up on the screen now. The other thing that you probably will want to use quite a bit is the character and paragraph palette. So if I choose character, you'll see that that appears on the screen. Palettes often appear in groups, tabbed groups, so I can click on one of these other tabs to look at these other palettes. We'll talk more about how to use the paragraph and character palettes in another video clip, but I did want to show you how to hide and display these palettes. I can just click here on this X box to close the palette. That's an alternative to going to the Window menu and unchecking the palette. That's another way you can hide the palette. By the way, there are tabs along the right side of the screen over here. So this is another way that you can get to a palette. So for example, if I click here on Stroke, the Stroke palette is displayed.